It's spring, and that means one of my favorite holidays is right around the corner, Passover. I love it. All the family comes. I spend a week cooking. Gets a little nuts. But I was with a client the other day who's looking for new silver and china for her Passover table, and we went to GEARYS Beverly Hills, where I found for her a couple of different options. This is a really fun mix and match. I love the blue and white. It's Hermes, it's Bernardaud, even the glass was Hermes, silver from Puy-Forcat, and a beautiful, a little bit more contemporary idea. She, though, is a little bit more traditional and likes a single pattern. I showed her how a single pattern with maybe an opposite plate can be done beautifully on her table, and to add just a little punch, gold flatware. This is from Herdmar, such a fun set. It's simple, not fancy, and it goes perfectly with the gold rim around these plates. So many options and so many different and beautiful ways to go. Perfect for your Passover table.